Hosana, Hosana, emakhosini ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya. You beautiful viewers of Kemi TV, you supporters, you vehement supporters of Kemi TV. Umkhulusader lo, igedla lamashkrishkri, inyanga yamakhosi. And I welcome you, Nkosi yami bakwethu sizilile. So if you see my energy seeming a bit low in this video, you must know ukuthi ngiyazile okwamanje, ngizilela ukuthi ngiphakamise izinto thizeni, ukuthi ngiyenze imisebenzi thizeni edinga ukuthi ngibe ngizilile uma ngiyenza. Ngizile ukuthi ngiphakamise ingilosi zami ukuthi ngikhulekele nina enizayo la nizocela usizo ukuthi ngibe nawo amandla ukuthi ngisize. Ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu. Guys, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Follow me on my social media channels. Look for Kemi TV on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok, and follow me on there for more content. To those of you that want to do online consultation, 061 178 1304. And to those of you that just say, Nkosi yami Mkhulusader, ngifuna nje ukukhanyisa ukuthi ngikubone. And Nkosi yami Mkhulusader, I want to donate towards inkonzo yaseNyakatho. There is my account number. Ningabe nifaka imali kwamanye ama-account number maqola lawo. This is my account number. If you want to do a direct deposit, if you want to do a transfer, for those of you that want to pay for products, that want to pay for online consultations, face-to-face consultations, insebenzo, nayi account number. Ithi singageqa amagula, inyoka. Abaningi baphupha inyoka in different ways. Ezinye ziyabaluma, ezinye ziyabagijimisa, ezinye nje omunye hlezi nje yaphupha kuhleli inyoka la eduze naye. Uyazibuza ukuthi Nkosi yami why ngiphupha inyoka kangaka, ukuthi inyoka ngiyisaba ukufa. So, why do snakes keep appearing in your dreams? What is happening? Mkhulusader, please clarify that for us. Guys, dreaming of snakes can be unsettling. For some, it can be fascinating depending on your thinking mode. But in African spirituality, snakes carry powerful messages from ancestors and can appear as ancestors who are carrying a specific message they need to pass on to you from the spiritual realms. So today I want to just uncover this topic and have it out on YouTube, a specific topic that covers snakes, because a lot of you spiritual children, so I don't want any confusion. Like I said, this is your digital Akashic records with all knowledge from African spirituality to universal spirituality. Right. So in many African cultures, snakes symbolize transformation, healing, wisdom, and protection. That is the omen of seeing a snake. So if you are humble and all of a sudden you meet a snake, or you find a snake, or or an unpoisonous snake, you must know that is the omen that is pointing towards it's time either for transformation, it's time for you to be healed, or they are healing you, or it's time for you to increase in wisdom. And the serpent is connected to the earth's energy. So it is the one animal connected directly to the earth's energy and to the cycles of life and death, for it sheds its skin. So whenever a snake sheds its skin, it represents the dying of the old self and the being born into the new self. Some tribes in Africa view snakes as guardians of sacred knowledge. Kosiyan. Somebody will say, no, this is symbolism that has been used in African tribes. In Egypt, somebody who is woke, you would see the pharaoh would wear his crown, his hat, and he would have a snake here, symbolizing wisdom, symbolizing sacred knowledge, symbolizing initiation, and symbolizing rebirth. Snakes can represent your kundalini energy and the spiritual force within you. Some of you that have dreams of snakes, it's not necessarily ancestors visiting you. At times, it's the sign ukuthi your Kundalini energy is ready ukuthi iphakame, ukuthi iqhume. And once iqhuma, it opens and forcefully aligns all your chakras. And when it bursts here, you have a Kundalini awakening. I'm sure nike nabona abaprofeti bathi bayacula bahiqizeke phansi bamemeze and kumele babanjwe ngamabhidane. Generally, that's the Kundalini doing its thing. Seeing snakes in your dreams could be an inner spiritual awakening, or it could be an ancestral message. So you need to be able to discern ukuze you don't misinterpret this video esikhiphayo namhlanje. Ancestors communicate change and power through dreams. Mabakunika amandla ungabona uhamba ney'nyoka. Uma kunenguquko thizeni ezayo kungafika inyoka ephuphweni. You would see a snake if there's great change or power that is being given to you. Often snakes appear when you are about to undergo a transformation. Mozozalwa kabusha. They warn you of upcoming challenges that are gonna come with your spiritual shift. Izinto ozobhekana nazo uma uthatha lo hambo lomoya. Isixwayiso kodwa akusisixwayiso sokuthi uzofa. It's them letting you know ukuthi prepare yourself, you are about to go through transformation. They can signify hidden power you're ready to unlock, connecting back to the Kundalini. A Kundalini, guys, is very potent and powerful energy. You must remember ukuthi it sits where your sexual organ sits. It sits at the base of the root chakra. And you know the creative power behind your sexual organs. When the eggplant combines with the female organ, a child is born. That's the type of energy is capable of creating another life. And thus a Kundalini possesses life-altering energy. And if iya pagama, then you could unlock various spiritual abilities, powers, ability to see, ability to bula, ability to sense things and see things before they happen. Yes, it can signify that you have hidden power and you are ready to unlock it. As well, snakes remind you to shed old habits and toxic relationships. It could be an omen as well. Uma uphuphi yoga, but it's time to let go of things that are no longer serving you. Kumele uhlubule izinto eziyigibe entanyeni yakho ukuze uzalwe kabusha. You need to shed your old skin and enter into your new path. So don't fear a snake. It's a guide, not a threat. But at times, when you see a snake, it is guidance from your ancestors to warn you of something negative about to take place. Lokho nje kumele sikusho. Lokho kumele sikusho because at times uzoziphupha wena uphuphe inyoka ikuluma noma ilwa noma izama ukukuluma. In that case, if ubona lokho yazi ukuthi it's either usengcuphweni, it's either you're in danger spiritually or khona vele umuntu okugadlayo. And they are showing you ukuthi kunobuthakathi obusy empilweni yakho. Number 2, if you're feeling overwhelmed or scared in a dream where there are snakes, overwhelmed and scared, you must always reflect on the emotions you felt in the dream. If you're feeling overwhelmed or scared, then no, that snake was not an ancestor. It was midnight engineering. But if you're feeling calm during your dream, if you're feeling calm or you're feeling protected or you're feeling like there's a healing energy resonating from this peaceful snake, inyoka emhlophe nje efike yalala la enyaweni zakho yarounda noma iyavula umlomo yakhuluma. Abanye abeneniphupha inyoka ikhuluma. Akeke okokugcina. But if you're feeling that and if you're seeing that, it is a sign of ukuthi le nyoka beyifikile, was coming with blessings, bekuyidlozi, it was a guide. As well, dreaming of snakes shedding their skin means the renewal or growth. So sometimes uzophupha vele, either uzophupha isikhumba senyoka which has been shed already, or uzophupha inyoka iphuma esikhumbeni sayo. That is a sign of renewal. Iphupho elisho inhlanhla ephuma edlozini. It's a dream ukuthi izinto zizoguquka. If things are going bad, izinto zizoqonda zikhanye futhi. So remember to always reflect on your emotions. Reflect on the energy you felt in the dream when you were seeing those snakes. What do I do, Mkhulu? I've been dreaming of snakes for years. Ngenze njani? Ngempela sengize ngisaba ukuthi ngiyofa through a snake bite. Angisadevelop nasemahlathini. So what do I do? Ensure ukuthi you perform cleansing rituals in case umlayezo lo abazama ukundlulisa ungafinyeleli kuwe. So you keep seeing snakes but you don't know what the message is. So ensure that you cleanse yourself and you do your dream work in order to align so that those messages can come closer. If you dream of a snake, uye emsamo uphahle uthi nginibonile nivakashile bantu abadala benifike nomlayezo muphi. Ukhanyisa amakhandlela uphahle, ukhanyisa amakhandlela ukhuleke ucela ingilosi ukuthi zicacisele ukuthi what message had they come with. Bebafuna ukukutshela ukuthini noma ukukhanyisela ngani. Again, guys, I'm going to keep admonishing you guys. Start keeping dream journals. Start keeping journals in general, spiritual journals, to journal everything happening. Even if you scribble at the end of the day, it helps you piece together a larger puzzle. If you dreamt of a snake attacking you, if you dreamt of a snake on your case, avoid toxic people, avoid situations until you are balanced, because it could be a warning with the people you are associating with don't have your best interests at heart. So keep your distance, because enemies come to you smiling. It's just how they are. They don't come to you telling you they're enemies. They want to befriend you. So that dream would be warning you, Guti, stay away from this person. That person is a snake who wants to see your life collapse. Seek guidance from a trusted spiritual healer if needed. If uyazwa ukuthi these dreams manje sesifika ziziningi, uyazumeka emsebenzini ubona inyoka, uyazumeka ngeweekend ubona inyoka, ubuphuza wadakwa, you shouldn't be dreaming mara uphupha inyoka. Seek out a spiritual guide, seek out a spiritual elder, ubhule, to connect you with your ancestors and tell you ukuthi nayi inkinga la, nayi into abayifunayo, because you must not ignore your dreams. Dreams are the bridge between the world of the energy realm, the etheric realm, the astral realm, and our 3D corporeal material realm. So honor their messages by paying attention to your dreams. So next time a snake appears in your dream, welcome it if it's coming with good energy as a protector and as a teacher. Your ancestors are speaking to you through symbolism, and it's symbolism that is thousands of years old. It's symbolism, a technology that has been used by ancestors for thousands of years. So go into the comment section, guys. Have you had a snake dream? Was it a pet? Was it wrapped around your neck like a scarf? Go into the comment section below. Share your story. Let's have a dialogue. If I've missed anything, as usual, ningcheleni ukuze ngizophawula, because my answers in the comment section fill in for everything that I miss in the video. Nama ngiphelelanga bakwethu. Ngisigqila. Yebo, I have ulwazi kodwa ngisigqila nginciko. I am a servant. I am nothing but a lowly servant. So I am prone to miss some things, and you guys assist me when you share your experiences in the comment section. Kedla lama shkishkir nyanga yamakosi. Hit that notification bell and hit the subscription button. Bagwethu, nginthanda ngothando lukaMvelincane, ngithi hosana.